Hello everyone, welcome to Software Tech. My name is Persian, and in this video I'm here to show you how to build a video sharing web app like YouTube using Django. You can upload videos in it and view the videos uploaded by all users and play them on separate pages. And the best part, it's going to be super easy and fun to build because I have taken some help from ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. So you don't need any prior experience in web development to follow along. If you're ready to start building your own video sharing web app like YouTube, join me in this exciting journey. With ChatGPT's assistance, we'll create a powerful and beautiful and functional app that you can be proud of. Let's get started. We tell ChatGPT to create the project for us. Well, we want to build YouTube in Django. It is basically a place to upload videos and watch them. Each video includes a topic, description, upload time and thumbnail. Actually, the main page of the uploaded videos is in a table. Each line has 4 videos of equal size, and each video has a thumbnail like YouTube. There is no need to add user features like login page or sign up page. Tell me all the steps with all information and all the required codes like templates like base.html or video list.html and models and views and etc. Use Bootstrap for beauty, simple but complete and beautiful. So, what's your answer, ChatGPT? So, first we create an environment in Python. And after that we install Django and create a project called YouTube. And we make an app named main app again. Then we make the video model. And now we will create the form for uploading the video as ChatGPT told us. We also provide views which include displaying a list of videos, displaying the detail of each video and uploading a video. Now, the best part, we put the templates which, as we said, use Bootstrap for beauty of the work. Now, we create URLs.py to set the address to each view and also set the video storage location, I mean media directory. We add the app to the settings. Now, we also migrate to properly store the models. So, as you can see, we have to install Pillow. Now, we test the project and run server. As you can see, our site is beautifully built with Bootstrap. It has a navbar menu to select pages that were in base.html. The video upload form is also very beautiful. Thank you, ChatGPT. And as we said, the videos are placed in a table where there are 4 videos in each row. Only the display page of each video should be a little more beautiful. Let's do this with ChatGPT. Excellent, now it's better. Thank you. And there you have it. You've successfully built a video sharing web app like YouTube using Django. Congratulations. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them on the comment section below. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next videos. Goodbye.